Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change wipers on a Tesla Model Y. First, access the service menu on your touchscreen. Select Service and then Wiper Service Mode. This will move the wiper arms to an upright position, making them accessible for replacement. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the parking brake is engaged before starting any maintenance. This crucial first step prevents accidental damage and ensures your safety. Now that the wiper arms are in service position, it's time to remove the old blades. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it clicks into its locked position. Locate the small release tab on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass, as this could cause damage. With the old blades removed, let's install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated and won't come loose during operation. Repeat this process for both the driver's and passenger's side wipers. You're almost done. Gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Once both arms are resting on the glass, return to your vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate back to the service menu and exit wiper service mode. Finally, activate your wipers briefly to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Tesla Model Y wiper blades.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.